Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 3, Computer Virus Part 3. Today's topic, Steps to Prevent Virus, Antivirus, Importance of Regular Updates, Using Antivirus Software. So, let us learn one by one, children. Steps to Prevent Virus. Children, in today's time, data holds the same value as money or gold. It is very valuable. So, we should take every possible step to prevent it from getting lost or damaged. Computer virus infects and spreads from one computer to another computer. As we all know that it infects by transferring the data using emails, flash drives and other sources. As children, yes. To prevent virus, we can follow some steps. Equip the PC with some antivirus program and always keep the system updated. Check whether the antivirus software in your system has potential to detect spyware and malware. If not, you should install some anti-spyware program also in your system. Install firewall on your system. Children, what is firewall? Yes, a firewall is a network security device which controls the incoming and outgoing of the network and decides whether to allow or block specific traffic based on a defined set of security rules. Always scan the pen drives before copying files. Children, we need to scan the pen drives before inserting into a system to copy files. Understood, children? Avoid downloading and installing pirated software from the internet. Always scan the downloaded files before opening them because it may contain virus, children. Scan your hard disk twice a month in order to avoid virus in your system. Take the backup of imported files every day. Use internet and email attachments very carefully. Never click on the attachments in the email unless it is from some genuine or trusted source. Antivirus. Children, we all know that antivirus is a computer program which is designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from a computer. We all know that it scans the computer files to look for known viruses. It identifies suspicious behavior of any computer program which might indicate infection. It scans incoming emails which may contain virus in the attachments. Some of the popular antivirus softwares are QuickHeal, AVG, etc. How antivirus works, children? Yes, all antivirus applications operate on similar principles. Mainly, there are two main components in an antivirus. One is to detect antivirus whether the file is containing a virus or not. The second component is it scans the engine, which scans files and compares them with the pattern files to verify whether the files are infected or not. You can observe the screen, children. The scan engine will run and activates, and it separates the malware files which are infected. It separates the files and it will list as the blacklist. As you can observe the screen, children. Okay. The files which are detected as the virus, they will be separated and listed as blacklist. And the files which are safe will be detected as whitelist. Understood, children? Importance of regular updates. Children, in the above section, we have discussed that every antivirus has a virus database that contains a list of file patterns. Isn't it, children? These file patterns are used to identify virus that contains in the system. Therefore, to catch different types of viruses that are affected for a system, the virus database of the antivirus has to be updated frequently. Okay, children, simply installing the antivirus software in a computer does not guarantee 100% protection. The installed antivirus program may not be able to detect any new virus program if updating is not done for the system. Understood, children? So, continuous update of the system to be done to find the various viruses which are affected to a system. Using an antivirus software, children, you can use any antivirus software in your system. Some of them are Norton Antivirus, Quick Heal, Avast, etc. So, you need to check whether the antivirus you are installing in the system can detect any malware that is affected to your system. Steps to use antivirus software in your system. Step 1. Click on the Start menu. A sub-menu will be appeared. Step 2. Click on All Programs. You can observe an antivirus program which is installed in your system. Here you can observe Avast Free Antivirus. So, click on Avast Free Antivirus software. As soon as you click on the antivirus software, the antivirus software window will be appeared on the screen. Click on Virus Scan. Step 3. Click on Virus Scan. As soon as you click the Virus Scan, other scan window will be appeared on the screen. Here you can find 4 options, children. Full virus scan, targeted scan, boot time scan, and custom scan. The needed option is to be selected, children. Whether you need the full PC to be scanned, you click on the PC scan, children. Otherwise, you can select targeted scan or boot time scan or custom scan, children. Okay, children. Here, step 4, scan your entire PC. After selecting the scan your entire PC, Scan Now will be highlighted with the green color, children. Understood? The scanning process starts. If the viruses are found, the antivirus will inform the same to the user and it detects the virus. As soon as the scan process gets over, the message "Scan finished successfully" is being displayed on the screen. Task of the day, children. Learn from the textbook. What are the steps to prevent virus? Children, by this we completed lesson number 3. We'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.